Turned up to this one, we're in Stivichall in Coventry. So this is a boiler repair on a Vaillant Combi boiler. So what we've got is we're losing pressure from the expansion vessel. I know everybody's going to say I'll recharge it. I have tried recharging it, but it's leaking more than it was before. And also I'm going to change the PRV while I'm here. Because they actually come as a duo pair for a better price. We've also got an issue with the diverter valve. I will upload the video most likely for that. It's like making like a buzzing, humming noise with that, which is annoying the customer, and they're having to open and close the tap to stop it. But also, now I'm here, we've got a leaking automatic air vent as well. So there's quite a few parts to change on this boiler. I haven't got the automatic air vent with me today. It's concerning. The guy here likes to look at this boiler and he's constantly obsessed with the pressure. So with that leaking that you can see there, I've already said to him, look, I've not got that today, we'll do everything else because I'm here. You know, I've got limited time now because it's close to Christmas. If I can do all these other bits, and then I'll come back and do that. But I already know he's going to be looking and asking me because it's losing pressure. So really annoying that is. And we are, well, we're nearly 6 o'clock, it's 6 p.m. So yeah, annoying, but let's crack on with it. But you can see that has completely gone. The little black bits that are coming out is from the rubber inside there, so it has completely perished. I know I always get people saying, oh, recharge it and whatever they say. I find actually that recharging expansion vessels doesn't work all the time. I find most of the time by constantly recharging them, etc. You know, it's okay to maybe check the pressure, but I find that you cause more damage than good. I've actually spoken to the manufacturers before. I'm sure it was Worcester that said that they actually don't like you to put air in them because it's actually a gas that they put in. So take that whatever you want to do, but anyway, so I'm just going to leave that in there because that is really, really heavy, just to drain. But so we've got that out of there, as you can see. Let's carry on with the repair. Okay, so guys and girls, this boiler is now working again. After having the parts changed, I'm hopeful that's going to cure itself, but chances are, with experience, and we know that it doesn't. But something I'd love somebody to answer me on, anybody. So I never liked Vaillants. I tried fitting them really for a while, and I never got on with them. But why does all the foam casing start falling off like it does? I think it looks terrible on the boilers. Can anybody tell me why that does happen? It just becomes so perishable, doesn't it? It just looks, it makes the boilers look really bad. I'll be honest, I've been with somebody that tried to blag a customer to want to have a new boiler because the inside looks so bad, and I had to cut in and say, oh no, actually it's fine. And you know, I don't like people being ripped off, but yeah, just a thought that I've always thought. I just think it looks a bit crap. Anyway, let's get the case on, and yeah. Okay, so the case is on. I've also put a sticker on the front of the boiler. I've left it blank, obviously, because I've asked the customer to contact me once we're out of winter, so I can do a good full service on it. Because to me, well, there's no evidence of the gaskets being changed. Doesn't sound like the customer remembers having them done, so could do with a full strip down service, which we'll do again probably after winter. All right, see you on the next one.